Ridgeway water heater. And switch it on. And there's one side lit, and there's the other side not lit. You've got a igniter here and an igniter there. Let's give it more. You can turn it up. As you can see, big flames. Oh, it's popping. Turn it down a bit. Like economy gas. It's popping and popping. This has nothing to do with the water pressure, otherwise with a low water pressure it will not ignite. It hasn't popped out yet. The flame will go out. I can shower for a while, but I just switch off the water and turn the water back on again. It goes click, 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 and it works. As you can see, nothing's being touched, but it's going to make a liar out of me, is it? Oh, it's popping. It's not supposed to do that anyway. It will go out sooner or later. But for me, I've never returned anything, so I just switch the water off and back on while I'm having a shower. It relights. After a few minutes it will pop out. But there it is. It's defected. It's popping away. It's not supposed to do this. It's supposed to be lit all the way across, and as you can see, it's not. Turn the gas right up. So the flame gets big now, but not on that side. And it's popping again. Now this has nothing to do with the water. This is full on, which is, oh, that's popped out. There's a video of it going out as well.